Race number 3. Standby na po yung dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Batangas Fighter draws for your lead. Power Factor is in second, running in third is Statues. Classy June, then comes Blank Check, and Esprit de Corps is in behind them as they race towards the 900 meters post. Batangas Fighter in command. Power Factor is Statues moving up now on the outside, catching the second spot and still moving up. Then racing in fourth, Blank Check, running in fifth is entry number 5 Esprit de Corps, and trailing the group is Classy June as they rounded the 600 and working to final 450. Batangas Fighter is still leading the field. Is Statues in between runners is Power Factor, Blank Check as they swing for home. Batangas Fighter still leading the field, moving up on the outside is Statues. Power Factor in between runners, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Batangas Fighter this time by about 2 lengths. Powered by Power Factor, Statues is on the outside with 50 meters. Dominador H. Borbe Jr. on Batangas Fighter, Power Factor. Then comes Statues, Esprit de Corps, Blank Check, and Classy June.